inside your else if. So if we go, yep, we are already inside our else if. It says the for each loop to iterate through the checkpoints array. So again, we access the checkpoints array and then interpolate the for each. So we use the for each method to access the checkpoints array and then iterate through the array elements. And we would have here callback function and those iterated elements inside the checkpoints array, and let's name them as checkpoint, our parameter rather. And inside the callback function, there should be an addition assignment operator to add 5 to the checkpoint's x position. So again, we access the parameter, which would be interpolated here, the position, and then use additional what? And then use here the addition assignment operator of this. So we are essentially adding 5 to the position x of our checkpoint, which is a parameter named for the iterated individual array element inside the array checkpoints. So that would be it. Nice.